And guess what Telesin decided to do? We have here the Telesin mini bag. You don't need to carry your GoPro anymore in such bags. It does its job. But how about a mini case? No more scratches. No more bags like this. HERO9 tempered glass screen protector. You've got here all you need. One screen protector for the lens, one screen protector front display, and one for the back. You have the ND8 filter, the ND16 and 32, and this is the CPL filter. They fit right on and looks awesome. It won't drop, it won't do anything. You just film your shot and go home happy. So next up is the HERO9 waterproof housing. Fairly easy to open. You just put your GoPro in there and you're good to go. This is massive actually. HERO9 battery charger. Since most heroes these days have more than one battery and it's a pain in the ass to charge it over and over again. There you go, what's in the box is the USB-C cable. Very tiny, easy to carry around. Now this is the Telesin aluminum alloy cage. We have all the screws, all the accessories you need here. But this one is the beauty. It's pure metal. It feels heavy, it feels cold. It's actually awesome. It has protective layers here not to scratch your display, and boom, it feels very heavy now. This particular door that GoPro made it difficult for us to access. Whenever you go on a trip and you feel like plugging in an external bank, you can't. And Telesin thought about it and made this tiny little guy. And you don't have to open this every time. It's actually quite nice. We have to make some space for this one actually. The latest for the HERO9. Unfortunately, I'm not able to test this one because it's October and it's very cold outside. But I'm looking forward. These are the instructions manual. The carrying bag not to scratch it. This is the Telesin dome. Also the floaty selfie stick. Yeah, so basically this is what Telesin is up to these days. I think they've done an amazing job and they are way ahead of the competition. So feel free to check their website. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm done.